I must have the Savior with me, for I dare not walk alone. I must feel His presence near me, and His arms around me thrown.
The other members of the People's National Party, ministers of government, specially invited guests, members of the family. May I say what a wonderful occasion it is to be here to celebrate the birthday of Michael Manley.
What a pleasure it is to be here this morning to pay tribute to the Most Honorable Michael Norman Manley. Michael Manley, as you're all aware, former Prime Minister and an outstanding trade unionist. But above everything, Michael Manley was about purpose. His purpose was public service. His watchword was courage. And so today it represents the recognition of Michael Manley's 88th birthday and a celebration of his peerless contributions to nation building. Michael Manley fully symbolized the idea of service. He was born in the crucible of service and could not escape it.